For the avoidance of doubt, we as the leadership of this region, we have decided to work together. We have made a conscious decision to work together as we lead our people to prosperity under President William Ruto's leadership. And this time around, we have decided in one accord that we are not just simply going to join government. We are going to form government with President William Ruto. Wangini okwa tonje serikali. Wadiloso serikali samigo yombulu. We are tired of retrogressive politics. You cannot saddle us with outdated politics in this day and age. And you cannot, as a governor, be roaming around all over. And then you abandon your own county. How can you abandon your county where you're supposed to be contributing development and you are roaming around aimlessly?
County, Gladys Wanga, all our MPs, the 29 of them in the 4 counties of this region, we have agreed in one accord that we will work together in support of President Ruto's transformative leadership, and to sustain that, we must ensure that those who have IDs who are eligible to register as voters, working through the government infrastructure as well as IEBC, that we all register so that when elections come next year, as the rest of the country will be re-electing President Ruto, we will join them and support so that he does his second term to sustain the development that we are seeing not just in this region, but in the entirety of the Republic of Kenya.
And I urge each and every one of us that as we are heading for election come 2027, let us embrace peace. Let us campaign peacefully and support the president for his re-election come 2027. He has done a lot to us.